Namaste everyone. Welcome to Centum CS. In the last video, we discussed about inserting image in 4 different methods. Insert image, drag and drop, copy paste image by linking. In this session, we will study about modifying the image. Okay, then let's begin with that. So modifying an image. Sometimes we may have to modify the image inserted in the document to suit its requirement. So the image toolbar is used to resize, crop, delete and rotate the image. In LibreOffice, can you see this one? This is image toolbar. Yes, where are we going to get in? LibreOffice Writer. This is image toolbar. Using this, what are we going to do? Resize, crop, delete and rotate the image. So the first thing, to use any tool from the image toolbar, the first thing is we are supposed to select the image, then click the desired tool. Clicking the color button opens drop down list with 6 adjustable components. Yes, where is it? See, this is the color toolbar. When we click on that, can you see 6 adjustable components has been displayed. So the first 3 components represent primary colors, red, green and blue. These are the red, green and blue components displayed. The fourth component controls the brightness of the image. Fourth component controls the brightness of the image. Can we check? Can you see the difference here? I'll just go with the negative brightness. Yeah. Can you see the changes? Can you see the changes here? Yes. In this image, we can make out the changes. Okay. Let us come back to the original image. So make it 0. I can just type it 0, no? There's no minus actually. 0. So we got the normal image. The fifth component adjusts the contrast. Yes, fifth component adjusts the contrast. Okay, then what is contrast? Yes. Can we start? Okay, I'm increasing the contrast. Can you see the difference? I'm decreasing the contrast. Let me go the negative. So what is contrast? This enhances the visual clarity by making edges and details stand out. Can you see here? Yes. So now we got to know what is contrast. Next, the sixth component manages gamma, which affects overall tone and light balance. Overall tone and light balance. Okay, let us make this contrast 0. Okay, so that we'll get our image back. What is gamma? This does not change the darkest, that is black, or the brightest, which is white part of the image. Instead, it adjusts the brightness of the middle tone, the grays and the color in between. Increasing the gamma. See, can you see increasing in the gamma makes the mid-tone brighter. So, decreasing in the gamma makes the mid-tone darker. So, we'll go to the normal. So, this is how you can modify an image using image toolbar. that too color. Let's discuss the image tools and effects on images. Image filter. There are 11 types of filters available for improving an image. Here it is available here. Can you see? These are the 11 types of image filters available. We will discuss every single image filter in detail. Okay, next, image mode. Image can be changed to black and white, grayscale or a watermark. 3 modes. Okay, where it is? Here it is default. Grayscale, black and white, watermark. Okay, we shall check this one. We shall check this one, how it's going to work. Default grayscale. Can you see the image? It is in grayscale. This in black and white. In watermark. So we have seen the same image in 3 different modes. Next one, crop. Image mode cuts off non-desirable part of the image. You can cut the non-desirable part of the image. Okay, let me come back to the default. I just wanted to crop this image. This is the crop an option available here. Just to click on this. I just wanted to crop. I don't want this. Yes, image has been cropped down. Next, flip horizontal. Flips the image horizontal by 180 degrees. Okay, where shall I show that? Okay, let me see this one. Let me check. With this image we can do that. Flip the image. Flip the image. Okay, flip the image horizontal by 180 degree. This is horizontal. See, can you see? It flipped the image horizontally by 180 degree. Yes, next one. Flip vertical. Flips the image vertically by 180 degree. Flips the image vertically by 180 degree. So I can use this image. Can we check with this image? Flip, yeah, horizontal. Flip vertical. Okay, horizontal, vertical is done. Rotate 90 degree left. Rotates the image by 90 degree left. Okay, we'll check this one. Rotate the image. Okay, rotate 90 degree left. Yes. Then what are the options? Rotate the image by 90 degree right. Rotate means image can be rotated by any angle using this tool. Okay, we'll check both of these options available at once. Okay, so the thing is rotate. Okay, I can rotate however I want. I've just checked. Okay. Why? Okay, the background is yellow. Can you see? That's why it is displaying like that. I can rotate like this. See, the background yellow is being displayed. I can rotate the image. Yes. So transparency makes an image transparent by using value provided in percentage. Okay, let's check that. No, transparency, where it is? Yes, here it is. Okay, I have selected this image. Okay, we'll increase the transparency. Yeah. If it is 0, it is clear. Got it? If we increase the transparency here, it will become blur. It keeps on becoming, faded out. So, okay, if I go back, if I want my original, image, I'll just put at 0. I don't want it to be rotated. Let me come back. Let's discuss about filters of the image. First one, invert. Inverts the color values of colored image. In case image is grayscale, then its brightness is inverted. Okay, let's see this one, how it's going to work in LibreOffice. Consider the image and where is the filter? Here it is the filter. Can you see this icon? This is invert. I have already selected the image and let me click on the image. Can you see how the image has been inverted? Okay, let us come back. Let's see the next point. Smooth softens the contrast of image. Another dialog box appears to adjust parameters. This softens the contrast of the image. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. This smooth. Okay, another dialog box appears. Smooth radius. Can we increase and check how it is going to happen? Okay, we'll give it a try and I say okay. Okay, this smoothens means we can, by looking at the image, we can say that image has been blurred. Smooth means this blurs the image. Yes, let me increase the smooth. Okay, let me decrease the smooth value and check. Okay, this is the last. I said okay. Okay, once the changes has been done, it retains unless and until you say Control Z. Go back to the original image. Yes, next third one, sharp. Increase the contrast of the image. Sharp, increase the contrast of the image. This is sharpen. Increase the contrast of the image. Yes. Yeah, now it is more clear. It has sharpened the image. Next, remove noise. Removes single pixels from the image. Removes single pixels from the image. Okay, let's see. Okay. This has removed single pixels from the image. Yes. Next. Solarization. So used in the photographs to reserve the tone. Dark appears light and light appears dark. Another dialog box appears to adjust the parameters. We'll check that as well. Solarization. Okay, we'll check. Okay. Let me check the invert of it. Invert of it. Yes. Yeah. We saw this, right? And say apply. Yeah. So this is the change when we, opt solarization. Yes. Next thing is aging. Simulates the effect of time on picture. On clicking it, another dialog box appears to adjust the parameter. Yes, what this aging does, this stimulates the effect of time on picture. Children, all these invert, smooth, sharpen, whatever, pop art, charcoal, sketch, mosaic, they may ask in examination. Details of it carries 1 mark. 1 for invert, the details 1 mark. So please read this properly, understand this properly and try to pen it down properly. Okay, what we are doing, what we were studying, aging. Okay, let's discuss about aging. Let's see how aging is going to happen here. Just first thing is, I'll just make my image the default one or the regular one. Yes, aging. Okay. We'll do it 19% and check. Okay, we can see the difference. Okay, can you see that difference is? I could make out some difference by putting some, inserting some different values, parameters. The next is posterize. Makes the picture appear like painting by reducing colors in the image. Another dialog box appears to adjust parameter when the icon is clicked. Yes, we know that, isn't it? Yes, where it is. Okay. Posterize. Okay, it looks like a poster kind of, by looking at it, what I can say is 29. Okay, let me see. Let me come back. Let me come back. And now let me try this posterize and see how it's going to look. Now it is 16, no? Okay, let me give 56 and check. Oh, I can see the difference. It looks like a 4. Yes, next is pop art. This changes the image to comic style outline kind of. Okay, let us check, Yeah, I checked with this image. Okay, let me check this image. Okay, pop art. Okay, see, yeah, fine. For this kind of images, it's going to work out very well. But this kind of image, yeah, it will be more clumsy. So this can be used for comic style of art. So for that they can use this style pop art. The next one is charcoal sketch. Changes the image as charcoal sketch. This changes the image to charcoal sketch. Basically what we do is, whenever I just wanted to show this changes, I just wanted to say go back, because when you look from the perspective of the original image to this particular change, you will get a better idea. Okay, when I do it like filter the image, when I say pop art, see, and with this pop art, if I say change it to charcoal sketch, see, the originality will go off, ruin off. So it is better, what I do is I'll go back to the original image. From here I'll just show it to this charcoal. So you can see the difference between the already filtered image and again filtering, or filter from the base image. Okay, next one is relief. Adjust light source to create shadow using dialog box to you will get a dialog box to adjust the parameter. What it does is this adjusts the light source to create shadow. Okay, we will see that how it's going to work. Okay. Okay, light source is from this. Okay, so this is going to happen. The next thing, last one, mosaic. Joins group of pixels into a single area of one color. Another dialog box appears to adjust parameter. Yes, for many of the tools, you will get a different dialog box to adjust it parameter. What I can do is mosaic. Okay, height and width of the mosaic, let me change to 12, 15. Let me decrease this and check now. See, so this is how we can modify the images. Where are we going to use this modifying image concept? Where are we going to modify the image? In what field? So usually television and display calibration, photography, image editing, human vision modeling, printing industry, video games, so satellite imaging, in medical imaging, many more such fields exist where you modify, you use filters for the images. Sizing an image. Sometimes you want to resize the image to fit an image at the desired place in the document. Resizing is the process of reducing or enlarging the size of the image. This can be done in various ways. Quick and easy way to resize an image is by dragging the image sizing handles. Okay, we will first see what is sizing handles. LibreOffice. Okay, if I click on an image, yes, I can see sizing handles. Can you see this? These are sizing handles. Okay, let me explain that. Okay, when we copy an image, when we select an image, can you see there are 8 handles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called sizing handles. Consider any image. Okay. Can you see for every image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will get 8 sizing handles. Position the pointer over one of the sizing handles. The pointer changes shape, indicating the direction of resizing. Yes, we'll check here with LibreOffice. I have selected, these are the 8 sizing handlers. Let me, yes, it has changed its cursor to the direction. I can drag it. Okay. I can again drag it. Yes. Okay, here this image, let me decrease. Okay, anywhere. I just wanted to decrease the size like this. Okay, let me decrease the size like this. Okay, let me decrease the size using this handler. See, once I take my cursor to the edge or to the sizing handler, direction cursor will appear. Next, click and drag the click and drag to resize the image. Release the mouse button when satisfied with the new size and observe the size of the image. Note, by dragging the corner handles, one can resize both the width and the height of the image simultaneously, while the other 4 handles only resize one dimension at a time. Note that while resizing the image, its size gets changed, but while cropping the image, it cuts off the undesired part of the image. Deleting an image. It is possible to delete the image from the document just like we deleted the text. To delete the image, just select the image by clicking on the image and press the delete key. So select the image, press the delete key. The image is deleted. Now we have completed modifying images. In the next video, we will discuss about drawing objects. Till then, bye-bye.